Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we're looking at the used 2020 CrossRoads RV Hampton 374BAR. This travel trailer MSRP is at $71,026, but is available at the Zoomers low price of $59,900. This unit is 41 feet long, weighs 10,818 pounds, has 3 slides, and sleeps 4. Now we'll walk through the inside. First we'll check out the bar area. Here are the bar stools. And you have a TV and cabinetry up above, the wet bar, and wine cooler. Cool feature about this bar is there is wireless charging. You just rest your phone on top and it charges. Now here is the kitchen. Your refrigerator and microwave, and stovetop and oven. There's your kitchen island. And your sink. Next we have the entertainment center, the telescopic TV and fireplace, the sofa with cabinetry above, and theater seating. Next to your freestanding table and chairs. Now we'll go to the restroom. Here's your walk-in shower. And here is the bedroom. Along this wall is a closet with washer-dryer prep. And then we have your wardrobes. And also a location to mount your TV. If you are interested in this unit, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.